Jay, and today we're gonna do a slime review. And she said you go first because me and my sister have our own YouTube channels, and sometimes we do videos together. But yeah.
You guys talk now.
Yeah, start your video, Kylie.
Hey,
Okay, I'm doing a slime review, and
guys, it's Kylie.
It's a Valentine's slime.
Hey
guys,
guys, that's my sister.
I don't know if you can see it.
Hey guys, that's
my
my
hearts in it.
Hey guys, that's my sister talking.
And then it's really stretchy.
And hey,
I'll show you.
there's a big slime, and I didn't open it, and you don't really see it, and you see bubbles.
It's really stretchy.
Let me open up, and you see. You see?
Okay. So I messed up my colors. It's just right now. But
me know that song now?
Look
and
at
is that yeah.
Do I know the song?
Yeah.
So this is my song. If you sing it, she know it. Okay. It's really pokey. It's
not sticky.
Yeah, it's not sticky. It's really weird because it's Valentine's slime, but it's blue. It just has hearts in it, so it's just
that just has hearts in it. And I don't know if you can see it. But the Valentine sticker is red. It's not sticking on me.
No, good job. It's like she would leave it in her hand and it would stick all over the place. But that's a better swirl.
So you see that? You see this? You see that? That's the Valentine. You see this?
It sounds like I said swirl, but I think it says swirl.
You see this? That's the Valentine sticker.
This is going to be a quick video.
I'm going to make a squirrel. No, I'm going to make these.
I love this song.
Ah! No.
What else? I'm trying to make a bubble in a cup.
I'm
making a new challenge. A bubble in a cup, yep. Or a ball. A bubble ball. BB or BC.
Oh my god, shut up. I didn't make a bubble.
Okay, I'm gonna try. You can see the heart in the middle? Yeah, that's hard. No bubble. I'm gonna try again because I'm determined to make a bubble. Bubble on so if I can do it, it's a new challenge.
So you heard that fall, and I had to pick it up.
It's a new challenge if it's bubble.
Because that's this. It goes at the top.
Okay, so let me try again.
So let me do a bubble like you. I think I could do it.
I have to. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, thank you, try. Bring you back up.
No. Let me.
I have to get this right so I make me a viral challenge. Bubble in a cup.
Come on.
It has to happen, guys. It's just.
It's a necessity. Make the bubble. I'll
No.
make the bubble.
Oh, I think I made a bubble. Ish. I'm going to get this right.
It's not making a bubble.
Okay.
Can I see this?
It's delicious.
Can I see this?
I need it.
Can I see it?
Yeah, sure. Go. Just this.
So guys, I'm going to get bubble on this because this is so small.
Okay, so look at it. Alright, you see it? No, forget it. It's still a viral challenge.
Oh my gosh.
But I'm just gonna get
challenge.
It's a challenge for you guys.
You heard that, the mom.
Yeah. If you have slime at home, make sure you try to do a bubble in a bowl or a bubble in a cup.
Yeah.
And if you succeed, send me a picture or video of you trying. That's your challenge of today.
And click on us and go watch it.
Yeah, make sure you watch the video. Well, you wouldn't.
I'm touching that.
You wouldn't hear that if you didn't watch the video, but make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this.
Hit that subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe if you want to be a part of the MJ squad or the Daddy Dada for Life squad. I'm gonna be with my dad sometimes.
Hit that subscribe
Or
or
give
give
me
me
a
a
cop. So
I'm telling you.
bye. All right, bye.
Okay, guys.